Hi, good morning, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to tell about what is digital license. So let us see that what exactly the digital license. You would have heard this word during any audit, or your company might be doing this digital license activities. And this is not specific to your company or certain item. Okay, it is related to the overall SAP also. So even SAP has released a certain kind of article about that, and they introduce certain programs to get the data. First of all, I want to understand what is the digital license. How do you calculate the number of transactions? Okay. So let me give you that background to understand and how to get the list of documents. SAP has given those document some kind of program where you can run the program and the list of user IDs. Okay. So based on that, you can find it. So let us keep this arrow mark. So this can be a third-party system. Maybe it can be a 3PL warehouse or any third party. Any third party procurement system or third party sales system or robotics to do certain goods movements or third party payment systems. So the payment will happen in that system so that it will come automatically, and in SAP it will come automatically. Let us reduce the size. So all these kind of different systems, you could use it. Let's have a look. So it can come with either RFC or API call directly. API call. Actually, API is itself is one of the RFC. So let me use that. Maybe I will use the word API. So through API call, it can be an RFC or IDOC or anything, and it will post in documents are posted in SAP with system users. Okay, system users. So when you see that user ID, it is a system user, not a dialog user. So what is this digital license? We need to collect list of transactions which are being posted by these system users, but not human. So if you see any transaction in our system, mostly we will see the three segregations. Okay, let me add that text. One is manually by the business users, manual by the power ID or firefighter ID or super ID, whatever you call it as. Sometimes consultants will access and do the transaction due to certain issues. Third, background job to convert one essay, one document to other. For example, PR to PO, S4 to outbound delivery, or delivery to transfer order. So these all kind of transactions happen because the previous document was created in SAP, and the same document is posted in SAP with a system user. So let me put it that. Right. So these three categories, so based on the digital license guidelines, all these three transactions are not part of digital license because it's manually posted or manually by super ID. Our background job is only to convert the PR to PO or PO to mostly PR to PO is a popular one, and sales order to outbound delivery, and even outbound delivery to transfer order, WM transfer order. These kind of documents are posted. These are also not part of digital license. So what can be the part of digital license? So the one which I explained here. So 3PL. So let me keep it in gray color, maybe, because these are all not part of, right? Format, shape, fill the color with the gray. Okay, I just put it in a gray color, line, solid line. Okay. Okay. So these are all not part of the digital license. So only the digital licenses, you need to find the count for the respective financial year or 3 months or 6 months, whatever the duration was designed by your audit team or whoever the responsible team. So any transaction which is happening in SAP directly because of the initiation in a third-party system. It can be, like I mentioned, like 3PL warehouse has posted goods receipt, it came to SAP and posted material document. Or 3PL procurement system has created a purchase order, it came to SAP and purchase order is created. Our sales system has created sales order, it came to SAP like a Salesforce or any system, it came to SAP and SO is created. So robotics are doing certain goods movements. The robots are just collecting or movement bin to bin, or else they are doing certain kind of goods receipts or transfers by robotics. That also will be part of that. So let me put it. So these are the different kind of third-party payment system. The payment gateway they are doing in a third-party system. Once the payment is happened, the respect to the vendor and the amount, everything will come to SAP and automatic payment will be posted. So the document ID will be, when you're checking the table level, it will see that the system IDs, whether it can be started with G or Y or even E, EDI user kind of IDs. So you need to collect a list of documents which are posted directly from a third-party system to our system. And also they will ask about the preceding next document also, but at least you can understand this one. Need to collect it. So you can go to the table and give the list of user IDs, the system user IDs, and collect it. That is also, you can do it. But SAP has given a program where you can collect the list of purchase order, list of sales orders, list of finance related documents based on the given user IDs. That is about the digital license. I will keep a link in the description and also in the comment. You can check it. That is SAP official document about a digital license. I hope you can understand. And when you are talking about your management or any support project anywhere about digital license, at least you don't be a blank. So I hope you understand and you learned it. Thank you.